In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert current date and time in Excel. We'll look at the easiest ways to do this and, more importantly, when to use each option. In Excel, you can insert the current date, the current time, or both date and time. The key thing to understand is that some methods create a static value, meaning it stays exactly the same, while others use formulas that update automatically later. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to add the date or time. In this example, you might have a simple table with tasks and columns for date, time, and date and time. This is a common setup if you're tracking meetings, reports, invoices, or other work items. The first method is using keyboard shortcuts, and this is usually the recommended option when you want a timestamp that won't change. Start by selecting the cell where you want the date or time to appear. To insert the current date, press Ctrl and semicolon. Excel will immediately place today's date into that cell as a fixed value. That means it won't update tomorrow or the next time you open the file, which makes it useful for record keeping. The second method is to use Excel formulas. This is the better choice when you want the value to update automatically whenever the workbook recalculates. First, select the destination cell. If you want the current date, type equals today open and close parentheses, then press Enter. If you want the current date and time together, type equals now open and close parentheses, then press Enter. After entering the formula, you may need to format the cell so it displays the result the way you want. For example, a cell can be formatted as date, time, or date and time depending on your preference. If the result doesn't look right at first, it's usually just a formatting issue rather than a problem with the formula itself. As a quick guideline, use keyboard shortcuts when you need a permanent timestamp, such as recording when information was entered. Use today or now when you need the worksheet to always reflect the current date or current date and time automatically. That's all there is to it. Once you know the difference between static entries and updating formulas, inserting dates and times in Excel becomes quick, accurate, and much more useful for everyday tracking.